Dear students, let us solve the problems related to AP. Look at the first question. In an AP given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, you have to find N and Sn. First write what is given. It is given that A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. We have to find N and after that we have to find Sn. Now here An is 50, we have A and D. So if I write the formula for nth term of an AP, we can find N. See, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is 50. Now what is A? A is 5 plus, we don't have N, keep as it is, into what is D? D is equal to 3, is equal to 50. Now keep N minus 1 into 3 here itself. Take 5 to the right hand side, that is 50 minus 5. So N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 minus 5 is 45. So N minus 1 is equal to 45 by 3. So N minus 1 is equal to 3 1s are 3 15s are, that is 15. Therefore N is equal to 15 plus 1, that is N is equal to 16. We got the value of N, that is 16. Now we have to find Sn. To find Sn, we have formula. Sn is equal to, here we have N, we have A and An. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus An. Or you can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Or you can use this formula. So Sn is equal to, what is N? 16 by 2. What is A? A is 5 plus, what is An? That is 50. So 16 by 2 is 8 into 5 plus 50 is 55. Now 8 into 55 is equal to 440. Therefore Sn is equal to 440. Look at the next question. In an AP given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, then you have to find D and S13. First write what is given. Here what is given? A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. We have to find D and S13. If I use the formula of An, I can find D. So A13 is equal to A plus 12D, that is equal to 35. What is A? A is 7 plus 12, D we don't have, is equal to 35. 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. So 12D is equal to 28. D is equal to 28 by 12. That is 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. So D is equal to 7 by 3. We got the value of D. Now we have to find S13. To find S13, we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An, because we have A13 here. So S13 is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. So S13 is equal to, n is 13 here, 13 by 2 into A plus A13. If you want to find S13, the 13 by 2 into A plus A13. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2. What is A? A is 7. What is A13? A13 is 35. So 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35 is 42. So 13 by 2 into 42, that is 13 into 21. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 27, that is 273. Therefore S13 is equal to 273. To find S13, we can use the formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d also. Or we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Look at the next question. In an AP given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. First write what is given. What is given? A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. Now you have to find A. Then you have to find S12. A12 is equal to A plus 11D. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A12 is equal to A plus 11D is equal to 37. We don't have A plus 11 into, what is D? D is 3 is equal to 37. So A plus 11 3s are 33 is equal to 37. So A is equal to 37 minus 33. That is A is equal to 4. We got the value of A. Now find S12. To find S12, we can use the formula n by 2 into a plus an. So Sn is equal to, write the formula, n by 2 into a plus an. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into a plus a12. That is S12 is equal to 12 by 2 is 6. What is A? A is 4. What is A12? A12 is 37. So S12 is equal to 6 into 4 plus 37. That is 41. So 6 into 41. That is 246. So S12 is equal to 246. Look at the next question. In an AP, A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, find D. Write what is given. Here it is given that A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125. We have to find D and A10. See, A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 15. We don't have A and we don't have value of D also. So we have to keep as it is. Now S10 is equal to, the formula for Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 125. So here n is 10. So 10 by 2 into 2a plus n is 10 minus 1. We don't have D, right, as it is equal to 125. 10 by 2 is 5 into 2a plus 9D is equal to 125. 2a plus 9D is equal to, take 5 to the right hand side, that is 125 divided by 5. So 2a plus 9D is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 2a plus 9D is equal to 25. Now how to solve? We got a plus 2d is equal to 15 and 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. We have two variables here, a and d, and two variables in the second equation also. So how to solve this? You have to solve by elimination method that you have learnt in pair of linear equations in two variables. Now write one below the other. A plus 2d is equal to 15 and 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Now we have to equate the coefficients. Look at the coefficient of a. Coefficient of a is 1 in the first equation. Coefficient of a 2 in the second equation. So I will equate the coefficient of a, so that I will multiply first equation by 2. You have to multiply all the terms, so that the first equation becomes 2a plus 2 into 2d, that is 4d, is equal to 2 15s are 30. Now second equation. We didn't multiply by any number, so write as it is. Now to eliminate the variable a, we have to change the sign. Here minus, change the sign of all the terms. Plus 2a minus 2a gets cancelled. 4d minus 9d, that is minus 5d, is equal to 30 minus 25 is 5. So d is equal to 5 divided by minus 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So d is equal to minus 1, plus divided by minus is minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. What is the value of A? D is equal to minus 1 we got. After that, substitute D is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. That is A plus 2D is equal to 15. So A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. Plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 plus 2. That is A is equal to 17. Therefore, value of A is 17. Value of D is minus 1. Now we got the value of D. After that we have to find A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A10 is equal to A plus 9D. What is A? 17 plus 9 into D is minus 1. So 17 plus into minus is minus, 9 into 1, 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. So A10 is equal to 8. Look at the next question. In an AP, given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. Write what is given here. It is given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75. You have to find A and A9. Now, here write the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 75. Now S9 is 75, so the value of n is 9. So 9 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. What is n? N is 9. So 9 minus 1 into d, d is 5, is equal to 75. Take 9 by 2 to the right hand side. Here 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5 is equal to 75. If I take 9 by 2 to the right side, that becomes 2 by 9 into 2 by 9. Now 2a plus 8 5s are 40, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So 25 2s are 50 by 3. So 2a is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. That is 2a is equal to 50 minus 3 4s are 12, 120 by 3. So 2a is equal to minus 70 by 3. A is equal to minus 70 by 3 into 2 on the left hand side, that becomes divided by 2. So A is equal to minus 70 by 3 into 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 35s are. So A is equal to minus 35 by 3. We got the value of A. Now we have to find A9. What is the formula for A9? A9 is equal to A plus 8D. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A9 is equal to A plus 8D. 8 is 9 minus 1 is 8 into D. That is equal to, what is A? Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D is 5. Minus 35 by 3 plus 40. That is equal to, 3 is the common denominator, minus 35 plus 3 4s are 12, 120. 120 minus 35 is 85 plus 85 by 3. Therefore, A9 is equal to 85 by 3. Go for next question. In an AP given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find N and An. What is given here? A is 2, D is 8, Sn is equal to 90. Now write the formula for Sn. That is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 90. We don't know n, write as it is, n by 2. What is a? A is 2 plus n minus 1, d is 8 is equal to 90. Now n by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus here 8 to be multiplied to n and minus 1. 8 into n is 8n minus 8 is equal to 90. So n by 2, see here 4 and minus 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus 8n is equal to 90. We can take 2 to the right hand side, so that n into minus 4 plus 8n is equal to 90 into 2. that is n into minus 4 is minus 4n, n into 8n is 8n square is equal to 90 into 2 is 180. Now there are no like terms. Write this in standard form, that is decreasing order of powers, that is 8n square minus 4n plus 180 from right hand side, that becomes minus 180 is equal to 0. Now see here, 8, 4, 180, these are divisible by 4. Now divide by 4, that becomes 4 2s are 8, 2n square minus n minus 1n minus 4 4s are 16, 5 is equal to 0. Now you have to factorize 2n square minus 1n minus 45, that is by splitting method. While doing splitting method, look at the coefficient of first term here. Here the coefficient of first term is 2, and the last term is minus 45. Multiply that. 2 into minus 45 is minus 90. So while multiplying you have to get minus 90, and while adding you have to get minus 1, because middle term coefficient is minus 1. Which are the two numbers? 10 9s are 90. Put the sign now. Here minus 1 we have to get, so minus 9 minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Minus 10 into plus 9 is equal to minus 90. So the two numbers are minus 10 and plus 9. So 2n square minus 1, we have to split this. We have to write minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now group first and second term together, third and fourth together. In first and second term, common terms are 2 and n. If I take 2n outside, remaining n minus 5. In third and fourth term, common term is 9. If I take outside, remaining n minus 5 is equal to 0. Now n minus 5, n minus 5 is a common term. Write it outside, then remaining 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Now n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. If n minus 5 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 5. If 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, then n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Here we got two values for n, but n should be whole number. N cannot be negative or n cannot be fraction. N should be a whole number. So the value of n is 5. N is equal to 5. Now you have to find an. Formula for an is a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? A is 2. What is n? N is 5 minus 1. What is d? D is 8. So 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 8. So 2 plus 32, that is 34. Therefore a 5 is 34. Look at the next question. In an AP given A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62 and SN is 210. Find N and D. Here A is 8, AN is equal to 62, SN is equal to 210. We have to find N and D. Can we apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An? We have A, An, and we can find the value of n. So we can apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An is equal to 210. N we don't have, write as it is. What is A? A is 8, An is 62, that is equal to 210. So n by 2 into 62 plus 8 is 70 is equal to 210. 2 ones are 235s are. So n into 35 is equal to 210. N is equal to 210 by 35. That is n is equal to 7 5s are 7 3s are 21 0. 5 1s are 5 6 are 30. So n is equal to 6. Now find D. We have An is equal to 62. An is A plus n minus 1 into D. That is equal to 62. A is 8 plus n is 6 minus 1. What is D? D we don't have. We have to find is equal to 62. So 8 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. D is equal to 62. So 5D is equal to 62 minus 8. That is 5D is equal to 54. D is equal to 54 by 5. So the value of D is 54 by 5. Value of N is 6. Look at the next question. In an AP given An is equal to 4, D is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14. Find N and A. Now write what is given. N is equal to 4, D is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14. Now here we don't have the value of A and we don't have value of N also. So now An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to 4. Now A we don't have, N also don't have, D is 2 is equal to 4. That is A plus multiply by 2, that is 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. Here minus 2, if I take to RHS, I can add that to 4. So A plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2. So A plus 2n is equal to 6. We got an equation. Here we don't have the value of variable A and variable N. So keep as it is. Solve this. Sn is equal to minus 14. I will apply this formula n by 2 into a plus an is equal to minus 14. Value of n is not given. A is also not there. What is an? An is 4 is equal to minus 14. Now, how to solve this? You can take 2 to the RHS so that n into a plus 4 is equal to minus 14 into 2. That is n into a plus 4 is equal to minus 28. If I multiply n to a plus 4, then I will get na plus 4n. It is not linear equation because na, these two variables comes together. If I add the powers, that will be 2. So highest power of the variable, the degree of the equation becomes 2. So that is not linear equation. So for this, see here, a plus 2n is equal to 6. What is a? If I take 2n to the right hand side, that becomes 6 minus 2n. Now from the first equation, we can write a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Now substitute a is equal to 6 minus 2n in the second equation. Now in the place of a, I have to write 6 minus 2n. See here, in the place of a, I will write 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n, then plus 4 as it is equal to minus 28. Now here we got only one variable, that is n. Now we can solve. See here, n, 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 2n is equal to minus 28. Now multiply n to 10, then n to minus 2n. That is 10n minus 2n square minus 20. When it comes to the LHS, it becomes plus 28 is equal to 0. Now write in the standard form, that is minus 2n square plus 10n plus 28 is equal to 0. Now change the sign, because in the first term only we got negative. Change the sign of all the terms. 2n square plus 10n becomes minus 10n plus 28 becomes minus 28 is equal to 0. Now divide by 2 for all the terms. That is n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now you have to solve this by factorization. Factorize n square minus 5n minus 14 means you have to find two numbers such that their product is minus 14, sum is minus 5. Which are the two numbers? 7 2s are 14. Sign of 7 is minus, here plus. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Minus 7 into plus 2 is minus 14. Now instead of minus 5n, I have to write minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now group first two together, then next two. In the first two terms, n is common, so n minus 7. In the next two terms, 2 is common, n minus 7 is equal to 0. Now n minus 7, that is common, into n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, either n minus 7 is equal to 0 or n plus 2 is equal to 0. If n minus 7 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 7. If n plus 2 is equal to 0, then n is equal to minus 2. Number of terms cannot be negative. So the value of n is 7. Therefore, n is equal to 7. Now find a. To find a, substitute in equation 1. Substitute n is equal to 7 in equation 1. That is, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. A is 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14. That is minus 8. So a is equal to minus 8 and n is equal to 7. Look at the next question. In an AP, given a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8 and s is equal to 192. Find D. A is given, a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8 and sum is equal to 192. Means sum of 8 terms. Here number of terms is 8. Sum of 8 terms is equal to 192. We have n and a, so you can find D. If I write the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 192. N is 8 by 2. 2 into a is 3 plus n is a minus 1. D we don't have, is equal to 192. 8 by 2 is 4. 2 3s are 6 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. D is equal to 192. 6 plus 7D is equal to 192 by 4. That is 6 plus 7D is equal to 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. 3 remains 32. 4 8s are 32. So 7D is equal to 48 minus 6, that is 42. D is equal to 42 by 7. So D is equal to 6. 7 1s are 7 6 are. So the value of D is 6. Next, in an AP given L means last term is 28 and sum is 144 and there are total 9 terms. Number of terms 9. Find A. Last term L is equal to 28. Sum of 9 terms. There are 9 terms. So sum of 9 terms is 144. Sum is 144 and number of terms n is equal to 9. We have formula for Sn which uses the last term. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. L means last term. Here there are 9 terms. So the last term is A9. A9 is 28 or L is 28. This is the formula for Sn. N by 2 into A plus L. S means Sn is equal to 144. Now N is 9 by 2. What is A? A is not there. L is 28 is equal to 144. So A plus 8 is equal to 144 into 2 divided by 9. So A plus 28 is equal to 9 1s are 9 6 are 9 16s are 144. 16 2s are 32. So A is equal to 32 minus 28, that is A is equal to 4. Therefore value of A is 4.